So, good morning, everyone. We have completed our major project 2 on design and development of Node-use form system. So, this is a group project in which there are three members, me, Srishti Misra, and Simran Mansoori. So, completed. We have chose this project because in our college there is a rule that we have to fill the no-dues form and get signed from faculty and HOD sir. So to take this in online format, we have decided to develop this website on this topic. So here is our front page of the website where the in-depth bar we can student registration. There is the option of user login, request, check application, and contact us. In student registration, we are taking their enrollment number, first name, last name, email, password, and confirm password. So student can fill details, submit on the submit button, and then click on the submit button, and then they can successfully register. And in user login page, user can log in by their credentials, and if the credentials are met successfully, then they can log in. If not, they cannot log in. In request, there is a request form in which user can fill the details will goes to the admin panel. Admin can check the details, verify it, then they can add them. In check application, student can check directly without login in the website by entering their enrollment number and then click on the check status button, and then they can check what the status of their notice form. And this is contact us form, so we can log in the student no admin login, add the username, password, click on the submit button, successfully login. Here's the option of student form status. So this is branch wise student, and we click on the computer science, so we get the student that is from 8th sem branch CSC. Click, we can click on the enrollment. So here is the details, the modules. We can come back, click on the faculty, we can view the request. We have one request. In when we click on the add, then we redirect on the user registration page. uh, can also add the faculties. No dues clear. Here only those students are come whose no dues are approved from the faculty, and then there the HOD can give the final approval. And here's the notification page where they can send notification by using email. Here, so user page, they can admin can see how many users are there in the website. Faculty admin can also change her password by they can change their default password with new password, and then log out. They can come out from the website. Or we can do one student register. We enter the enrollment number. We can enter the first name, for example, Sivan, last name Pandey, sivank@gmail.com, the password. So here in confirm password it shows that we have entered the password. If the confirm password and password not same, then it will give the error. So everything fine. Here the message appears successful registered. We go back, user login. What we have filled in the SCS 19 11 21. So here successfully login. This is the student page. Here student can Fill the nodules form. This will fill nodules form, name, enrollment number, branch, semester, section, attendance, assignments. They can fill the subject code, subject name, assignment. If submitted, so yes. If not, no. Tutorials, then lab records that are in others. We have to give the college fees, clear, not clear, enter all the details and click on the submit button. So the all details will goes to the database and fetch on the faculty as well as HOD panel, means dashboard, so they can check. So there's the query form. So student facing any query or problem, by filling details in Nodules form. So they can send Nodules a query by using this form. A student can also send notification by email to anyone. So contact us form and log on form. So this all about the project. So thank you for viewing this project.